Okay, let's do driving in the G clef. Well, now we're going to start off with a C and a G, but played at the same time. And you can see there's telling you first finger on C, and then your second finger on G. I'm sorry, your fifth finger on G, like so. Okay? At the same time, beep, like that. 1, 2, and they're half notes, so they help for 2 beats each. 1, 2, ready, go. Beep, beep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, C, 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 G, G, C, C, G. Beep, honk, beep. One more time again. Beep, beep. In the streets, beep, beep. Traffic meets. City sounds are all around. Beep, honk, beep. Awesome.